In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge privacy error quickly and safely. This is a really common issue, and it usually happens when your browser can't verify the website's security certificate or when something on your computer is interfering with the connection. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try before you assume the website is broken. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to check is your computer's date and time. This may sound simple, but an incorrect clock is one of the most common causes of privacy and certificate errors in Microsoft Edge. If your system date or time is even slightly wrong, Edge may think the website's security certificate is invalid. To check this, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and look at the clock. If it looks wrong, right-click the date and time and open the time settings. Make sure the time zone is set correctly and turn on automatic time if it is available. Then confirm that the date, month, year, and current time are accurate. Once you fix that, close Edge completely and try visiting the website again. In many cases, that alone can solve the problem. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. Over time, Microsoft Edge stores temporary data that helps websites load faster. But if that data becomes corrupted, it can cause privacy errors and connection problems. To do this, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From here, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. You can also choose the time range, and if you want the cleanest reset, choose All Time. Then click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser, reopen Edge, and test the website again. This step often fixes issues caused by old or broken browser data. If you're still seeing the privacy error after that, another possible cause is your antivirus or security software. Sometimes real-time protection can block certain certificates or interfere with secure connections, especially on websites that are perfectly safe. As a test, you can temporarily disable real-time protection on your computer. Important note here, only do this briefly and only while you are testing the website. Open your antivirus or Windows security settings, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and look for real-time protection. Turn it off temporarily, then go back to Microsoft Edge and reload the page. If the website opens normally, then you know your security software was likely causing the conflict. Once you finish testing, turn real-time protection back on right away so your device stays protected. If the error is gone after one of these steps, you're all set. If not, you may need to check whether the website itself has a certificate issue, or whether your network, proxy, or firewall is affecting the connection. But in most cases, fixing the date and time, clearing the cache and cookies, and temporarily disabling real-time protection will solve the Microsoft Edge privacy error. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.